This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Barbara Bailey Smith. Beautiful lakefront home in the Riverfront community. 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath. First and second floor primary suites. Open floor plan. Eat-in kitchen, great room, dining room, wine bar and desk nook. Granite countertops. Stainless steel appliances, hardwood floors. Mudroom, 4-season porch and large patio west/fire pit. 3 bedrooms, upstairs, large frog with wet bar and wine rack plus 70-wide television that conveys. Primary bedroom with large jetted tub and separate shower. Huge walk-in closet. Laundry room. Double car garage with added shelving for additional storage. Walk/bike/stroll along paths surrounding lake. Custom built by Sasser Construction. One owner home lovingly cared for. September 24, 2024. For more information, review the details below.